Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Apache Kafka in Ubuntu. Basically the process is same for any Linux like OS. First of all, go to Google Chrome and type Apache Kafka download. Search for the official link of Apache Kafka, which is this one. Click it. Here you see the different version of Kafka that you can download. At this time 2.5.0 is the latest release. You can see here there are two downloads, source downloads and binary download. To download Apache Kafka we need to download binary one. If version of Scala matters to you, then you can choose appropriate version. If not, then Scala 2.12 is recommended. Now click on the link. Here you see the mirror image to download Apache Kafka. Copy this one. After you copy that, go to terminal and type the following command: paste the link -o and the path where you want to download it. I'll simply store the file in download folder and rename it as kafka.t so that it will be easier to search later on, and hit enter. It will take some time to download. When you are done with download, it will automatically stop. While running this command, if you face error like curl was not found, then you can simply install curl in your system by entering the following command: sudo apt install curl and hit enter. This command will simply install curl in your system. Since I have already installed curl in my system, there was no such error. Now let's verify the downloaded file that has been downloaded or not. For that, go to the path where you set here and downloads. Yeah, the file is downloaded successfully. Now I'll create a folder name called Kafka in home directory. For that, enter the following command and hit enter. I'll move into the folder, enter the ls. As you can see, there is no this folder Kafka is empty. Now I will unzip the file that I have downloaded and move it in this Kafka folder. For that, we have to enter the following command: this x this is the file or path where I downloaded the file. This is the name of the file. Now hit enter. As you can see, it have unzipped the file and move it in this Kafka folder. Let's see the file. As you can see, it has been successfully moved in Kafka folder. After this, you basically completed installation of Kafka on your system. Now to run Kafka, all you have to do is run executable shell script located in the bin folder. Let's see in the bin. As you can see, these are all the executable files that you can run. To run Kafka, we can simply run this script, which is named Kafka server start.sh. And another thing you have to know is the config file. Let's see the config file. This one. Config. Yes. You'll see the properties file in the config folders. This folder, the folder server.properties is needed to start Kafka service. Now let's start the Kafka service. For that, to start the Kafka service, you have to enter the following command: bin / Kafka server start. And as I told you that for running Kafka, you need to also specify the config folder, server the properties folder, and hit enter. After doing that, the Kafka service is will be running in your system. If you faced any problem while running this, while starting the Kafka service, you will also need to run Zookeeper. If you face any issue while running Kafka, for running Zookeeper, you have to enter the following command: bin Zookeeper server if you face any problem in starting the Kafka, then you have to run this command at first, and then you need to run the Kafka command mentioned before. Thank you for watching.